So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to tell you guys some stuff that I'm actually getting into Airsoft. Yes, I'll be getting an Airsoft gun this Friday the 13th, sister's birthday. So yeah, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video with that. And it has it's a kind of like an M4A1 M16 with force grip and flashlight, or I think laser sight. I wanted to buy a buttstock M4 mag holder. I already got one. It's a double one. It just goes on the side. So yeah, I'll probably just get that. This one's pretty nice. It's actually real too. So I had an airsoft gun, but it broke. It had like a shotgun attachment to it. Okay, but I broke it. So I've kept the mag because this is a M4 mag, so it will fit in there. So I kept this one. That's why I wanted a pouch. So yeah, I got a pouch. Auto real thing. I'm covering up the name, but yeah, it's a throttle holster. Pretty dang cool. Cool. I got this. The things, stuff like that. And I have a belt. Put it on. Only airsoft gun I got. I have tons of them. No, not really. I have 3 of them. The other 2 don't work, but this one does. This one's like when you shoot, it's like this, and it's one of those crappy ones that do this. 1911. Took off the orange thing. You see, right there. Took off the orange thing. Has a safety right here. What? The safety? Yeah. Oh my God! Stop. Okay. Has a safety right here. But this gun is not that good. It's the mag release. Oh man, I can do it with my M4. Oh God! Oh, that's fast. Yeah, and you know the vlog you saw with the ghillie suit? Yeah, I have something that goes onto the gun. This actually goes onto the gun. It's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I have something else for you. Can't find them. Oh, I can't find them. So I got this. Well, hold on a minute, guys. Oh, where is it? Done. Hold on a sec. Okay. It's a fully functional mask with flashlight. And this was actually from a scope from a toy gun. Put it on, and it fits really snug with it. So it fits actually really snug. Oh man. It fits really snug in there, so watch. Won't be falling out on you. We glued it on with some stuff. Let's do it. I'll probably be using this. Probably not. Just me and my dad made this. So ghost mask up in here. Oh, this is an epic fail. Yeah, get the ghost mask up in there. Yeah, this looks pretty dang cool because I have something protecting my ears. Not really, but yeah. Eye protection. But I might get like a ghost thing that goes around and it won't penetrate. I don't have no gloves right now, but yeah, I'm doing tons of stuff. Here's my hat. If you didn't know, Cabela's. Really cool hats. Not sponsored. But yeah. I don't have stuff yet. I only go find one glove, but I'm working on it. Yeah, see you guys next episode. I'll be doing an unboxing video. My next episode will be doing an unboxing video on the Airsoft gun I'm gonna get next Friday, Friday the 13th. Coming in, I'm doing an unboxing video with everything. I'm gonna order stuff with my $15, make it even cooler. Alright, see you guys later.